breeze over hills and crags, and the sound of a hunting spear. Bloodthirsty, bloodthirsty, bloodthirsty.
For me, it's really about connecting with people through music, and the fact that I get to do that every day is incredible. We relate through stories and song, and which is why the past 2 years have been so incredibly difficult, because it's a fundamental mode of communication. I've been really incredibly lucky to spend time in Colombia, Palestine and Indonesia, all working with music in various ways. I really was able to step into and witness their tradition of storytelling and song and rhythm, and then come back and reappreciate it for myself here on this island, and that is an absolute gift.
Let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Oh, let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Oh, let me tell you, 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 Caronia, I'm coming home.
Any traditional songs that I've sang previously, I would always sing them in their traditional format. And so to show up on stage this evening for IMBOLC Festival, which is such an important festival to me, and sing a new arrangement that I'd written the weekend, or that I'd arranged at the weekend, it felt very big, but it belongs to us all. I don't want to step into this false dichotomy of there's a them and us in folklore and in music. Everyone who lives in this island, we all have access to it, and we can all sing it and play it and add to that incredible canon. I played so many different kinds of music for so many different years, and lots of different instruments and in lots of different parts of the world, and when I came back home and a home to myself, this was the sound that felt most true to me. So to be able to say that is folk, and folk meaning people and part of the community and the people of this island, is an absolute privilege.
And I know some soon smile me where I stand and take my crown, take my crown, take my Here I am in front